Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a hair care trend that's been gaining a lot of attention: rice water. More specifically, we'll explore what happens when you use rice water on your hair for an entire month. If you've been curious about this DIY beauty hack, stay tuned to find out whether it lives up to the hype. What is rice water? So, what exactly is rice water? Rice water is the starchy liquid you get after soaking or boiling rice. It's been used for centuries in various cultures, especially in Asia, for its potential benefits for hair and skin. It contains nutrients like amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that are believed to promote healthier hair, strengthen hair follicles, and improve overall hair texture. But what really happens when you apply rice water to your hair every day for a month? The first week. Initial changes. Let's start with the first week. When you first begin using rice water, you might not see dramatic changes right away. However, you will likely start to notice that your hair feels softer and smoother after each wash. The protein content in rice water helps fill in gaps in the hair shaft, making it feel stronger and less brittle. It might also make your hair appear shinier due to the smooth texture created by the rice water's nutrients. Week 2. Hair growth and strengthening. By the second week, you might start seeing some interesting results. Many people report feeling their hair becoming noticeably stronger. This is because rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that's known to help repair damaged hair and even promote growth by improving circulation in the scalp. If you've been dealing with breakage or weak hair, you might see a reduction in hair loss as your strands become stronger. However, it's also important to note that if you're using rice water too frequently, your hair could start feeling a bit dry due to its protein content. Some people find that using it too often without moisturizing can lead to protein overload, making the hair stiff and brittle. So, if that happens, try reducing the frequency and incorporating a good moisturizer or oil into your routine. Week 3. Texture and volume. By the third week, you may notice changes in the texture and volume of your hair. The amino acids in rice water can help improve the elasticity of your strands, reducing the chances of split ends. Your hair may also feel thicker and appear fuller. This is because the rice water coats each strand, making it look more voluminous, and it helps improve the hair's ability to hold its shape. For those with fine hair or hair that lacks volume, this can be a game changer. It helps create the illusion of fuller, more voluminous hair without the need for additional products like mousses or volumizing sprays. Week 4. Long-term benefits. Now, let's talk about the fourth week. By this point, your hair will have had a full month of exposure to rice water, and you'll likely start seeing more long-term results. One of the most exciting benefits that many people experience is hair growth. As the rice water continues to nourish your scalp and strengthen the hair follicles, you may notice some new hair growth or thicker areas where you previously had thinning hair. This is a result of the protein-rich compounds in rice water, working to stimulate the scalp and improve the overall health of your hair. Your hair may also feel smoother, more manageable, and less prone to frizz, which is a huge plus for anyone dealing with unruly hair. Plus, the shine will be more noticeable, making your hair look healthier and more vibrant. Possible drawbacks. However, while rice water has a lot of potential benefits, there are a few things to be mindful of. Some people may experience scalp irritation or dryness from the protein buildup, as I mentioned earlier. Additionally, if you're not rinsing the rice water thoroughly, the smell could linger, so make sure to rinse well. If you have sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to do a patch test before using rice water regularly. So, to sum it up, if you use rice water on your hair for 1 month, you're likely to notice stronger, shinier, and more voluminous hair. There are also potential benefits for hair growth and texture. However, it's essential to use it in moderation to avoid protein overload and dryness. As with any hair care routine, what works for one person might not work for another, so it's important to listen to your hair and adjust accordingly. Thanks for watching today's video. Have you tried rice water for your hair before? Let me know in the comments below how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more hair care tips. See you in the next video.